Hi everyone, it's Lorna here, and I'm going to be reading you a story today called Jungle Jamboree, and it's by Jo Empson and published by Puffin Pictures. It's also one of the Imagination Stories books. Okay, so enjoy. Deep in the jungle, the beat of the drums spoke of a grand event. A chitter-chatter swept through the treetops, and the word soon spread. A jungle jamboree, tonight at dusk. All creatures welcome, great and small. But who will be the most beautiful of all? Not me, cried the lion. My mane is too dull. Not me, chirped the bird. My legs are too short. Not me, snorted the zebra. My stripes are too boring. Not me, whispered the leopard. My spots are far too spotty. Not me, sighed the hippo. My bottom is too big. I wonder what's for lunch, said the fly, who just flew by. All the creatures disappeared into the jungle to get ready for the jamboree. All apart from the fly, who happily ate his lunch, enjoying the beautiful view, without a worry in the world. Finally, all the creatures were ready, but somehow they didn't look quite themselves. Something had changed. Surely now I will be the most beautiful of all, purred the lion, flicking his feathery mane. Easily me, sang the bird with the lovely long bamboo legs. Definitely me, laughed the zebra, giving a colourful twirl. Clearly me, secretly thought the leopard, all spotless and flowery. Ta-da! Obviously me, announced the hippo with her fancy pants. What a beautiful end to the day, said the fly. As the sun grew weary and rested upon the hill, dusk fell over the jungle. It was time for the Jungle Jamboree. All the creatures gathered, great and small, along with the judges, and decided who was to be crowned the most beautiful of all. But the clouds weren't tired and wanted to have some fun, so they whipped up a storm, causing mischief and chaos, blowing and washing away all the fancy thrills. Oh no, my feathery mane, roared the lion. No, my fancy pants, cried the hippo. At last the clouds grew tired and put their mischief to bed, but darkness had fallen upon the jungle. The judges couldn't see who deserved to be crowned the most beautiful of all. Let me give you all some light, said the fly. Zipping all around, the light of the firefly shone bright, showing the judges the creature's natural beauty. You all look so beautiful, said the judges, just as you are. But everyone agreed. You see, they look so beautiful with the light shining on them. The firefly's kindness was the most beautiful thing of all. I wonder what's for supper, said the fly, and home he flew. It's the end of that story. I hope you enjoyed that. Bye-bye.